down, down, down. Down, down, down. अलीकडे अलीकडे इकडे इकडे ठोकायचंय. We are going to remove this plate with the help of mobile crane. We are looking this mobile crane. This guy is Manoj Latte. He's very potential man. Very good, very good. Up, 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 up. We are going to remove this part from aggregate hopper. This is partition plates. Down, down. We are done. Very good, very good. Finally, we are finished this job. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This channel gives you lots of knowledge about preventive maintenance of all types of machineries. Thank you guys, thank you.
Like, share.